And what shall I cook today?
Hi friends, we meet again, and to the newcomers, welcome to my channel. Today, I will be sharing yet another simple and easy to cook recipe. So, stay tuned guys. Let me get my ingredients. Okay friends, I'm going to cook now. Today I am making my favorite corn fritters, or in Malay we call it Cucur Jagung. This simple recipe is a good evening snack for the entire family to enjoy. I used cream corn from the can. Easy, creamy and tasty. Senang cerita, memang super rasanya. The creaminess blends well with the mixture and the corn bits are nice and crunchy. Here I want to share my secret in making the most delicious cucur. But now, watch the video first. Secret I will tell you later in the end of the video, yeah? Don't overcrowd the frying pan with cucur. Overcrowding will result in soggy and oily cucur. So bersabar, goreng sikit-sikit baru betul. Secret time! Adding rice flour into your all-purpose flour will make your cucur crispy on the outside and soft in the inside. When it is cold, it will not be chewy. Next, add grated garlic into your mixture. Kenapa? Sebab 1. It gives you a very good flavor to your cucur and wangi, macam letak ikan bilis tahu rasa dia. So, my vegetarian friends, this recipe is for you. Other than that, it also helps in making the cucur crispy. The best secret of all, my cucur is best eaten with any kinds of dips. Chili sauce, tomato sauce, mayonnaise, any kind of sambal, any types of curry, even asam pedas, sambal belacan, dal kari, you name it and you try it. And you let me know in the comment section. Discover joy in every bite. Sedapnya. If you like this recipe and enjoy this video, give this video a thumbs up and share with others. I would like to hear from you in the comment section. If you have not subscribed, please subscribe and hit the bell button for the latest updates. Thank you for your support. Happy cooking. Bye.